Hi everyone, hope you all are fine. Today we are going to study another definition of psychology, which is psychology as a science of behavior. What a living thing does is generally known as behavior. It means responses or reactions to various kinds of stimuli. When this definition was adopted for psychology, it gained lot of fame and acceptance, as it is discussed earlier that in order to understand the minds of other persons and animals, we have to study the behavior. J.B. Watson claimed that psychology is a study of behavior, what organisms do, their reaction, and responses. The behavior of organism is observable and can be measured. He not only propagated this concept but also criticized the concepts like soul, mind, and consciousness. He declared that anything which can't be experimented must be thrown out of psychology. Pillsbury was the first person who used this term for psychology. Thorndike, who conducted many experiments on animals and introduced trial and error method for learning, is known as behaviorist psychologist. Pavlov and Skinner introduced the laws of conditioning while experimenting on animals. While these rules, human behavior can also be explained and controlled. According to Watson, individual learns from the environment. He conducted successful experiments on small children and animals and explained the stimulus response formula. Stimulus is studied as it elicits behavior, rewards, and punishment maintain the responses. But SR is not concerned with what goes on inside the organism. So it was criticized and amended as SOR. Organism was included with stimulus and response. Behaviorists conducted a lot of experiments and became dominated during first half of 20th century. Psychology has benefited from this definition. Experimentation of behavior made the prediction easy, but it is not enough to study the behavior only. To cover the complete area of psychology, this definition needs some addition. This concept also got some criticism, which was Watson stressed on obvious behavior. He didn't realize the importance of mental processes. Behavior seemed just as mechanical response without mental process. Watson discarded the concept of conscious, subconscious, and unconscious. Humanistic psychologists give a lot of importance to intrinsic motivation, but behaviorists have no room for it. It is obvious that all definitions have some flaws because none of them cover the subject matter of psychology in a complete sense. So, definition given by behaviorists can be modified to meet the need. That's all for today. If you like my video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe my channel.